I will reveal 4 accurate price action signals that even a newbie trader will be able to easily recognize. Watch carefully because these signals will help you to make a lot of money trading Forex, gold, or any other financial market. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Signal number 1. Change of character. Change of character is a strong price action signal that indicates the trend violation and the highly probable market reversal. In a bearish trend, a bullish violation of the level of the last lower high will signify a change of character. It will signify that the trend is no more bearish and a bullish reversal is coming. Have a look at Euro yen pair on a daily time frame. We can see that here the market is trading in a bearish trend. We see the lower lows and lower highs. And we see a strong bullish candle. And with that bullish candle, the market violates the level of the last lower high. For us, it is a confirmed change of character. And for us, it is a strong bullish signal. As you can see, the change of character quite accurately indicated a coming bullish reversal. And you can see that then a strong bullish movement initiated and the market started to trade in a bullish trend. Traders, learn price action trading in my premium group. Watch how I apply the price action analysis live. Watch how I trade price action live. For more info, check the link in the description below. In a bullish trend, a bearish violation of the level of the last higher low will be a change of character. It will signify that the trend is changing, that the market is no more bullish, and most likely soon we're gonna see the bearish reversal and initiation of a bearish trend. Here is dollar yen pair daily time frame. Obviously the market here was very bullish. We were trading in a strong bullish trend, but then the market dropped and violated the level of the last higher low. That was the confirmed change of character, and for us it indicated a highly probable bearish reversal. And you can see that then the market started to trade in a bearish trend and dropped heavily. Signal number 2, the breakout of a consolidation. No matter what time frame, what trading instrument you trade, I guess you notice that quite often the markets become weak and the markets start consolidating. Most of the time when the market starts consolidating, the market forms a range, a horizontal range. And once you spotted the horizontal range, you should patiently monitor the reaction of the price to boundaries of the range. Bullish violation of the resistance of the range will give you a strong bullish signal, while a bearish violation of the support of the range will signify the strength of the sellers and the highly probable bearish continuation. Have a look at the price action on a pound Swiss pair on a 4-hour time frame. You can see that here the market formed a lot of ranges. Many times the market started to consolidate. Many times the market started to coil. And each time the breakout of the boundary of the range quite accurately indicated the future direction of the market. Here a bullish violation triggered a strong bullish continuation. Then a bearish violation of the support of the range here triggered a strong bearish movement. And then bullish violation of the resistance of that range initiated a bullish movement on the pair. Signal number 3, the trendline breakout of a price action pattern. There are a lot of trendline based bullish and bearish price action patterns. For example, the flags, the wedges, the channels. What unites all these patterns is that the violation of a trend line of a pattern will give you a strong trading signal. For example, a bullish breakout of a resistance line of a falling wedge will give you a bullish signal. Same thing with a bullish flag. Once the price violates its upper boundary, we will expect a bullish continuation. And same thing will be with the symmetrical triangle. The violation of its resistance, the falling trend line, will give you a strong bullish signal. Please check a price action on the euro dollar pair. You can see that the market was very bullish, and once that high was reached, the market started a correctional movement. And the market started to correct itself within a falling wedge pattern. Here we have a bullish violation of the resistance of the wedge, and it indicates a highly probable bullish continuation. And you can see, traders, that after the violation of the resistance of the wedge, we saw a very impulsive bullish movement. and for you, it could be a very nice and strong bullish signal. A bearish violation of a trend line of a bearish pattern will give you a strong bearish signal. For example, a bearish violation of a support line of a falling wedge, of a bearish flag, of a symmetrical triangle will give you a strong bearish confirmation. I really like how a bearish breakout of a support line of a symmetrical triangle accurately indicated a coming bearish wave on gold. Signal number 4. Neckline breakout of a horizontal pattern. There are a lot of different price action patterns. One element that unites many of them is the so-called horizontal neckline. Here are the examples of bearish neckline based price action patterns: the double top, the head and shoulders, and the descending triangle. What unites these patterns is that a bearish violation of the neckline of these patterns will give you a strong bearish signal and bearish confirmation. Have a look at an inverted head and shoulders pattern on Bitcoin on a daily time frame. The pattern has a very strong horizontal neckline, and its bullish violation can indicate a coming bullish rally. And immediately after breakout, a pump started on Bitcoin, and we nicely predicted that with my students in my premium group. Here are the examples of bullish neckline based price action patterns. We have a double bottom here, inverted head and shoulders pattern, and the ascending triangle formation. And bullish breakout of the neckline of these patterns will give us a very strong bullish signal. Here's a classic double top pattern, and the pattern has a horizontal neckline, a minor support that the price respected and from where buyers were buying the pair. However, a bearish violation of the neckline was a strong bearish signal. It signified the presence of the sellers, the dominance of the sellers, and after the violation, a bearish continuation initiated. The most important thing about all these price action signals is that it is very simple to accurately recognize them. You should simply learn the basic price action rules and a couple of classic price action patterns. It will be more than enough for you to accurately spot the market reversals, and it will be more than enough for you to spot the accurate trading signals. Moreover, all these signals will help you to efficiently trade any time frame and any financial instrument. Let me introduce in the comment section what is your favorite price action signal. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, do not forget to check my premium group. The link in the description below. Traders, please like this video and do not forget to check my other videos.